Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, July 14th. This is David, and I am still looking at our S&P 500. And the thing that I want to call out this evening is how we have reached up into a pretty important fib cluster that we've had on or in our sights for at least a few weeks now. So we are right up here by this 4518 Voodoo snowline. A little above that is the spot where the move up from the October low is a 78.6% retracement of the move down from the all-time high into that low. And then the last big pullback before the run up into today's high is this one here, February into March. And this move up is 161.8% of that pullback. We even have some short-term symmetry that's coming in here. This move up right in here is symmetric to this move up in here. So we're also seeing some other elements that that lead us to believe that we've met some short-term and long-term objectives here today. Now, with that all said, trends have a way of just continuing, and this one may as well. So just because there's a cluster here of a place where we could turn down from, what that suggests to me is this is a place to start taking a profit on longs or raise up stops or both, right? And then wait for a trigger to the downside. So I'll talk more about that trigger as well as some timing that we have to look at for when a turn down might occur that we can factor into the price analysis as well here in the premium video. But wanted to call out this this important information. We will see how stuff comes together in the next few days and regroup at the next update. I will see you then.
Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.